class. Today's topic is numbers. We always do numbers, we always use numbers, but sometimes what happens we forget that which number is this and which number is that. Normally we get confused. हमें ये नहीं पता लगता कि ये नेचुरल नंबर है या कौन सा प्राइम नंबर है, कौन सा ऑड नंबर है, कौन सा इवन नंबर है. So it is very difficult to identify because we always forget. तो आज की क्लास में हम लोग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स पढ़ेंगे, इसमें हम जानेंगे कि कौन सा नेचुरल है, हाउ टू चेक विच वन इज prime, even, odd, all different types of numbers. So after this class, you all will be confident in finding the numbers. So let's start the class. Let's discuss the first type of number. नेचुरल नंबर. नेचुरल नंबर, अब नेचुरल नंबर कौन से नंबर्स हैं? जो नंबर्स हम लोग डेली लाइफ में वी यूज टू काउंट 1 2 3 number of objects. For example, in this case, like 1 2 3 4 5, the numbers which we can count also, we call them as natural numbers. So natural numbers are used for counting. So to count objects, we use these numbers. So keep it in mind, zero is not a natural number. Zero जो है वो natural number नहीं है. So you can see this picture also. In this picture, I have shown some examples of natural numbers. Next type, whole numbers. अब whole numbers क्या है? Whole numbers वो numbers हैं if you just put zero in the beginning and start counting, then we will say the set of numbers is whole numbers. So when we add zero to the set of counting numbers, we get whole numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all are, and so on, all are called whole numbers. So see some examples in this circle, examples of whole numbers. Next type, even numbers. Even numbers, now you know natural numbers, you know whole numbers. Now to identify which natural number is an even number, we have this definition. Whole numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called even numbers. तो वो वाले numbers जिनको हम 2 से divide कर सकते हैं, or the numbers which end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are called even numbers. So let's see what is there in this bag. In this bag, I have put all the even numbers. Some examples, not all the even numbers, because even numbers को हम count ही नहीं कर सकते. They go up to infinity. We cannot count them. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like these type of numbers are called even numbers. Next type, odd numbers. अब जो even नहीं है वो क्या होंगे? Odd होंगे. A whole number which is not exactly divisible by 2 is called an odd number, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. These all are called odd numbers. And how can we identify कि कौन सा number odd है और कौन सा even है? Odd number के last place में, that is at units place, you will see always 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 at its units place. So the numbers which end with 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, the numbers will be called as called odd numbers. Now let's see what is here in this. Oh yes, this t-shirt, we have all the examples of odd numbers. Okay, next type. Now before going to the next type, let's discuss some questions here. We have to pick up, in this case, odd numbers. Now as we know that odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now check this table and quickly click on odd numbers. Okay, so let's see which one is an odd number. 29 is an odd number. Then 37 is an odd number. Then 91 is an odd number because in the beginning I told you that the number which end with 1, 3, 5 or 7 or 9 will be called as an odd number. Okay, second row, this 73 is an odd number, 71 here odd number, then 39, 53, then this row 27, and in this row 111, 129, 155. So in this way, you can pick up the odd numbers from the table, and the remaining numbers will be even numbers, which will end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Next. Next type we have prime numbers. अब ये prime numbers क्या हैं? तो सबसे पहले इसका definition देखते हैं. Prime numbers क्या है? Numbers which have only two factors, namely 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. तो वो number जो सिर्फ 1 से या अपने आप से divide होंगे, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. These numbers are prime numbers because they can be divided by 1 or by itself. So these numbers are called prime numbers. So let's see some examples here. You can see it here. All these numbers are prime numbers. So you can see some examples here, 2, 3, 5 here, all are prime numbers. So always remember, numbers which have two factors, either 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Next. Now let's do a simple activity here, simple question here. You have to identify the prime numbers and then you have to add them together. So first of all, quickly find out the prime numbers in this. Yes, 1 is not a prime number. I will show you at the end some important properties and special properties of 1. Okay, so let's start with the first prime number. In this case, 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. Keep it in mind the definition that the prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by 1 or the numbers itself. 15, no. 19 is a prime number. And from this side, 6, 10, 16, 18, no. Now 23. So we have these prime numbers. Now quickly add 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 19 plus 23. 7 plus 3, 10, 21, then 40, and total is coming 63. Is the total a prime number? No, 63 is not a prime number because 63 is divisible by 3 also, 7 also, 9 also. So it is not like that total of prime numbers will always be a prime number. It cannot be a prime number also. Okay, next. Now the next category of numbers we have is composite numbers. अब ये composite numbers में क्या difference है? Now prime numbers we have done. अब जो numbers prime नहीं है तो उनको क्या कहेंगे? Okay, so let's see it here. Numbers having more than two factors. Numbers having more than two factors are called as composite numbers, like 4, 6, 8, 10. Then next is 12, 14, like this. All these are composite numbers because they have more than two factors. So let's see some other examples here. Oh, this book is having all the prime numbers, all the composite numbers here. So you can see in this picture, all these examples are of composite numbers. 6, 26, 12, all these are composite numbers. Why? Because they have more than two factors. Like for example, 6. 6 you can divide with 2 also, with 3 also, with 6 also. So they don't have only two factors. They have more than two factors. So they are called composite numbers. Let's discuss the next one. Integers. Now, what is the next thing? Next is integers. Integers can be, it's a special type of numbers like negative. If you have negative numbers, zero, natural numbers together, we call them as integers. A collection of numbers which is written as like -4, -3. You must have seen these type of numbers in the lift. Like when you go up, you see plus plus plus. When you go down, you see minus something, -1, -2, like that. And zero we use for ground floor. So these type of numbers we call them as integers. So integers में सब numbers, integers में negative भी आता है, positive numbers भी आते हैं, and integers contain zero also. So like you can see it here, all these are examples of integers. So in this football, you can see all different examples of integers. So integers are of three types: negative integers, positive integers, and zero also. So you can see different examples of integers here. Okay, so now you can see one simple activity where we have to describe each situation. Now integers you can apply in your daily life situations also. I'm just doing one or two questions here, like 5 feet above sea level. 5 feet above sea level को हम कैसे represent करेंगे? We will write it like this: +5. A gain of 5 pounds. Gain of 5 pounds, it will again be plus. A decrease of 6 members. Now it's a decrease, so it will be -6. So you can see it here that we can apply integers in our daily life situations also. Like 4 degrees below normal, so it will be -4. Loss of 8 yards, -8. So all these things which we have written right now here, all are examples of integers. So you can see it here, इसमें मैंने कुछ plus भी लिखा, कुछ minus में लिखा. So I have applied full integers concept here. So remember, integers can be positive, integers can be negative, and integer can be zero also. Okay, the next one is, yes, now we have a special type of pairs of numbers. The numbers are twin primes. We use these terms like twin primes, co-prime, but we always get confused कि ये क्या है. So twin prime numbers are the two prime numbers जिनका difference जो है, it is always 2. Twin prime numbers are the two prime numbers. First, the number should be prime. And then if you see the difference of the two prime numbers is coming 2, we will call them as twin primes. Now see some example, जैसे 3 and 5 है, because 5 minus 3 is 2, 17 and 19 है, 19 minus 17 is 2. So when you see these type of prime numbers, pair of prime numbers, जिनका difference जो है वो 2 आ रहा है, so we call them as twin primes. Let's see some examples here. 3 and 5, next 17, 19. So these all are examples of twin primes. I hope it is clear now. Come to the next. Now next, very, very important notes. Yes, 1. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 is a special number. It's a unique number जिसको ना ही हम prime कहेंगे ना ही हम composite कहेंगे. It's a very, very common mistake. Students normally say that prime numbers start from 1. No, 1 ना ही prime है और ना ही composite है. Next, 2 is the lowest and the only even prime number. 2 is the lowest and the only even prime number. सबसे छोटा और only one even prime number. 9. 9 is the lowest but odd. Lowest and odd composite number. 9 is the lowest odd composite number. So composite numbers start from, yes, 4. So 9 is the lowest odd composite number. So these are some special notes that you should keep it in mind when you are doing the problems related to the numbers. So I hope with this video you can easily find out the numbers and the special types. Thank you.